How Jah Cure built his music empire and collaborated with Colaz Smith TV. Reggae fans, if you're vibing to Jah Cure's soulful hits and craving more authentic Jamaican content, subscribe to Colaz Smith TV at Colazmith on YouTube and share the love. With nearly 200,000 subscribers and over 100 million views, Colaz Smith's channel is a vibrant hub for Jamaican culture, food, and community stories. Hit subscribe and share to join this cultural journey. Jah Cure, born Siccature Alcock on October 11, 1978, in Hanover, Jamaica, and raised in Kingston, built a reggae music empire through his golden voice and resilient spirit. Nicknamed Jah Cure by Capleton, his career ignited in 1997 with the single King in This Jungle, a duet with Sizzla produced by Beres Hammond, who became his mentor. Hits like Longing For and Love Is followed, showcasing his lover's rock and roots reggae style. Despite a controversial 1998 conviction for rape, robbery, and gun possession, which led to an 8-year prison sentence, Cure released 3 albums: Free Jah Cure, 2000, Ghetto Life, 2003, and Freedom Blues, 2005, from behind bars, topping Jamaican charts. Released in 2007, he dropped True Reflections, A New Beginning, performing at Reggae Sundance in the Netherlands. His 2015 album The Cure topped Billboard's Reggae Albums chart and earned a Grammy nomination, featuring tracks like That Girl and Rasta. Royal Soldier, 2019, and Undeniable, 2023, produced with Hamed, K1 Piraspana, also hit number 1, with singles like Marijuana and Everything featuring Stoneboy. Despite a 2021 arrest in Amsterdam for stabbing a promoter, resulting in a 6-year sentence, Cure continued creating, releasing Undeniable from prison. His empire, built on global tours, collaborations with Mavado, Rick Ross, and Damian Marley, and a loyal fanbase, boasts an estimated net worth of $1 to $2 million by 2025. While Jah Cure did not build Colaz Smith TV, his collaborations with Colaz Smith, a Portland, Jamaica-based YouTuber, amplified the channel's cultural impact. Launched in 2011, Colaz Smith TV grew to 197,000 subscribers and 100 million views across 2,330 videos by 2025, showcasing rural Jamaican life, from curry beef cookouts to community initiatives like road repairs. Smith featured Cure in videos, leveraging his reggae stardom to draw fans. Clips of Cure performing Sticky or discussing his journey enriched Smith's content, blending music with cultural storytelling, attracting Cure's global audience. Smith's entrepreneurial hustle, monetizing through ads, sponsorships and merchandise, echoed Cure's resilience, while his consistent uploads and fan interaction via WhatsApp, +1 87635055459, mirrored Cure's fan engagement. Their synergy aligned with Smith's mission to celebrate Jamaican heritage, boosting engagement through Cure's hits like Unconditional Love. Jah Cure's music empire and strategic appearances on Colaz Smith TV created a powerful platform, uniting reggae's soul with digital storytelling. Subscribe and share to keep the positive vibrations alive.